Nitric acid is a component of acid rain that forms when gaseous nitrogen dioxide pollutant reacts with gaseous oxygen and liquid water to form aqueous nitric acid. Write a balanced chemical equation for this reaction. And note that this is a simplified representation of this reaction. Okay, we're going to start with nitrogen dioxide. So that's going to be, let's write it in words first. Let's see, nitrogen dioxide plus gaseous oxygen and liquid water make aqueous nitric acid. Alright, this is gaseous. This is gaseous. This is liquid. And this is aqueous. Alright, so we have NO2 plus O2 plus water make HNO3 aqueous. And this is gaseous and gaseous and liquid, although those don't affect the balancing of the reaction. Okay, so we have one nitrogen, 2, 4, 5 oxygens. So we have 3 oxygens here, 2 hydrogens, and 1 hydrogen. And we have to balance this reaction. Now, sticking with the compounds and elements that we have as written and not introducing anything new, it is possible to balance this reaction. So let's start with nitrogen. We're going to leave oxygen for last. We have 1 nitrogen, 1 nitrogen. We have 2 hydrogens, 1 hydrogen. So if we put a 2 here, that balances the hydrogens, upsets the nitrogens. So we'll bounce back over here and put 2 nitrogens. Now, 2 nitrogens, 2 nitrogens, 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogens. That's okay. Right, let's look at oxygens. We have 2 times 3 is 6 oxygens on the right. On the left, we have 2 times 2 is 4, 5, 6, 7. We can get there, at least for a first pass, by saying 1/2 of the oxygen. Now we have a balance of 2 nitrogens, 2 hydrogens, and 2 times 2 is 4, 5, and 1/2 of 2 is 1. So this gives us 6 oxygens on the left, and 2 times 3 is 6 oxygens on the right. But we don't have, in a fully balanced reaction, a true equation. We can't have the fractional coefficient. So we have to multiply through by 2 to get rid of that. So this will become 4. This will become 4. This will become 2. And this will become 1, which is just not written. It's understood to be 1. Now we have 4 nitrogens, 4 nitrogens, 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. 4 times 2 is 8, 10, 12 oxygens. 4 times 3 is 12 oxygens. Balanced.